Hola, I'm Mary from Mary & Palettes, and today I bring you this easy Halloween tutorial with Ulta Beauty. I'm going to start by applying the Ulta Beauty Matte Face Primer. Now to define my brows, I'm going to go with precisely my brow pencil from Benefit Cosmetics in a number 2. I like to start by brushing my brows and then filling them in with the pencil. Now that my brows are done, it's time for foundation. For that, I'm going to be using Born This Way from Too Faced and blending with the Beauty Blender. I always like to put the foundation on the back of my hand and grab it with the Beauty Blender so I have more control of the amount that I'm putting on my face. A little pro tip, dabbing your foundation instead of dragging will make it look more natural. For concealer, I'm going to use Conceal and Define from Makeup Revolution. Once it's applied, we're going to blend it with the same sponge. Now to set my face and continue with the look, I'm going to jump into the Morphe and Jeffree Star brush collection. And I'm going to be using the JS2 with the Fit Me Powder in a number 10. Before I start with my eyes, I'm going to apply some bronzer and some blush with the same brush. I always like to apply my bronzer on a C shape on this area. For the eyes, I'm going to be using the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. With the JS5, we're going to jump into the rustic color and we're going to apply it on the crease. Remember to use back and forth motion till it's completely blended. With the same brush, we're going to use the Noir color and we're going to apply it on the outer corner of our eye. Now with my finger, I'm going to grab some of the glistening and I'm going to apply it on my eyelid. It's time to start playing with the eyeliner and I'm going to be using the Epic Ink eyeliner from NYX. First, I'm going to do a simple line over my lash line. And now we're going to have fun by creating some random strokes all over this line. Now I'm going to go with the JS6 and I'm going to grab some of the rustic eyeshadow and put a little bit under the eye so I have a base for more lines in this area. Back with the eyeliner, I'm going to do more strokes from the waterline. These lines are going to give the illusion of having huge lashes. Now with the same liner, I'm just going to paint my nose, trying to go for that cat nose shape. Also remember to add your whiskers. And I'm going to join my nose with my lips. And for the lips, I'm going to use the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lipstick in Snowflake. Now to take this look to another level, I'm going to add some details and some lashes. For the details, I'm going to use the white liquid liner from NYX. I'm just going to add some lines and dots to add some dimension. Before adding the lashes, let's not forget about adding our mascara, and I'm going to be using this one from Too Faced. For lashes, I'm going to go with my favorite. These are the Lily lashes in the model Miami. People always ask me how do I apply my lashes, and a good trick is using a good amount of my favorite glue. We're going to put it on the lash and then we're going to let it dry for 30 seconds. Once the 30 seconds are over, we're going to grab the lash in the middle and we're going to glue it in the center of our eyes and then we're going to fix the corners. Since the glue is so tacky, this lash is not going to move. That's an easy application. To bring my lashes together with the fake lashes, I'm going to apply another coat of mascara. And don't forget to do your bottom lashes too. Now to make my waterline darker, I'm going to use the automatic eyeliner from Ulta Beauty. To add some glow, I'm going to use the JS3 brush and the Ultra Highlighter Pillow Talk. And to finish and make this makeup last all day and all night, we're going to use the All Nighter Setting Spray from Urban Decay. And this is the final look. As you can see, it's really easy to recreate. And if you want, you could add some accessories. For example, I have these little ears right here. And I'm ready for my Halloween. You can find me all over social media as Marianne Palette. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.